Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all three programs on my channel, and I also share calories as well. So I'm going to start with my grocery haul first, and this is a haul from Walmart. I actually got quite a bit more than this. I have a few things here that I want to show you. The shower for our granddaughter is tomorrow, so I did get some stuff for the shower. I also got like some chips and drinks and stuff to bring for that, so I'm not showing you that in this haul. So let me go through and show you what I got. I did get a couple things that are new, so I'll show you those. So very quickly here, I got some cucumbers, some green onions, lettuce, broccoli, some tomatoes. I got some regular tomatoes and some grape tomatoes. I also got these little lemon and lime things. I like to use fresh lemon or lime in my recipes, but a lot of times I might be out and a recipe may call for it, so I just pick those up to have. I also got this little thing of basil. I wanted just regular basil leaves that I would chop myself, but they didn't have them. So I got those. I got a couple grapefruit. I've been craving grapefruit lately. I don't know why. So usually what I do for grapefruit is I'll have it in the morning. I'll just cut it in half and just sprinkle some sweetener over the top of it and eat it that way. It's really good. Also got some green peppers, some strawberries, and I think that is it for the 0 Point fruits and vegetables. Oh, and then also these pears. So let me share with you, I got these pears free. I got the Skippy free and the jelly free. I got those free using the Ibotta app. So if you're not familiar with Ibotta, I'll put a link down below. It's basically an app that you can get free groceries. You scan, like your receipts and things, and you get cash back. So I think you have to get to like $20 and you can cash it out. So for example, for these three, I paid for them today, but then when I got home, I scanned my receipt, and then it's going to give me the cash back for the full cost of those, because these were one of the things that were in there for free. So what I did before I went shopping is went onto the Ibotta app to see what they have for this week for like specials, and they have quite a bit of like school type things this week, so check that out. I'll put the link down below. My favorite two apps to use are Ibotta and Fetch Rewards, so I'll put both of those down below. So for the pears, those are 0. The peanut butter, 6 points for 2 tablespoons. If you're counting calories, 190 calories for 2 tablespoons. And on the pears, I think these are like 25 calories, 30 calories for one of the cups. And then, oh, I forgot about the watermelon. I got a watermelon too. And then for the jelly, this is 3 points for 1 tablespoon. If you're counting calories, it's 50 calories for a tablespoon. I also got, check this out back here. Have you guys seen this? It's Nestle Splash and it has lemon. I've not tried it yet. This was the first time I've ever seen that. So I love lemon in my water. Usually when we go out to restaurants, I always get water with lemon in it. But when I'm home just drinking a bottle of water, I usually don't put it in it. So I'm anxious to try that. So let me know in the comments if you tried that. They have different flavors too. They had like a mandarin or something. They had different flavors. And then I also got some PB2. This is 2 points for 3 tablespoons or 1 point for 1 7/8 tablespoons. And the calories on this, 60 calories for 2 tablespoons. Okay, I just put my bird in the other room because I realized I tend to tune him out when he sits there making his little squeaks, but I realized he was doing it, so I hope it wasn't too bad in the beginning. Sorry about that. All right, so then I got some Olive Garden light Italian dressing. This is, you can have 2.5 tablespoons for 1 point, and if you're counting calories, 30 calories for 2 tablespoons. Back there I got some Everything pretzel crisps. These are 4 points for 1 ounce, which is 28 grams or 110 calories. I also finally found the I Can't Believe It's Not Butter spray. I have not been able to find this for a long time. I love this kind. So I got a couple of those. I also got some Dunkin' coffee, and we've been doing the Walmart, the Great Value brand, which isn't too bad, but we had some Dunkin', I don't remember where we were, wherever we were had a Keurig, and we used the Dunkin' K-Cups, and we're like, oh, we miss the Dunkin', so I splurged and got some Dunkin' this week. I also got some light butter, Land O'Lakes light butter, 1 tablespoon for 2 points, and if you're counting calories, it is 50 calories for a tablespoon. Some ready rice, I got some garden vegetable and long grain and wild. Those are both 3 points for a half a cup. And if you're counting calories, it is 210 calories for 1 cup. And for the points on everything today, it's the same points on all programs. So that's why I'm not telling you blue, green, or purple, because I didn't get any type of foods that are like different for the different colors. I also got some turkey bacon here. So usually we use like the Oscar Mayer or the Appleton Farms from Aldi, the regular fully cooked bacon, but they didn't have any. So I just got the turkey bacon, which normally we don't care for turkey bacon, but I'm gonna try this. So for this one, you can have 4 slices for 1 point, 6 slices for 2. And if you want just a little bit for 0, you can have 1 1/3 slices. And the calories on this are 50 calories for 2 slices. So I've never tried this before, so let me know in the comments if you've tried it and if you like it. I also got some Laughing Cow cheese. These ones are 1 point for 1 wedge, 2 points for 2 wedges. So watch the Laughing Cow cheese. They are different. Some of them, they're 1 for 1, but then when you have 2, they're 3 points. These ones come out 2 for 2. And the calories on these are 30 calories for 1 wedge. I also got some no-calorie sweetener, some Diet Coke, some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This is, you can have half a cup for 0 points or 1 cup for 1 point and 30 calories for a cup. I got some gallon bags, some Lily's chocolate chips. These are chocolate salted caramel flavor. These are 16, you can have 16 of these for 1 point. If you want 0 points, you can actually have 5 of these, and they're decent size. They're not the minis. So, and then 16 of them for 1 point and 28 of them for 2 points. And calories, 55 calories for 26 chips. And down here, I just wanted to show you these cute little slippers. How cute are those? I got those for my granddaughter. I got these little shorts. So for those of you who don't know, we have a granddaughter on the way. She's due August 26th, the day before my 50th birthday. We are super excited. We have a grandson already who's 2. He'll be 3 in December, so it'll be his little sister. So those shorts, and then I got Logan, our grandson, this shirt. It says, "Dad knows a lot, Mom knows everything." My son will agree with that. And then that's it. So I just wanted to show you those couple things. So that's it for my grocery haul this week. And like I said, I'll put the link down below for the Ibotta app, so you can go on there, check it out, see what they have for free this week. Really cool app. So now let me show you what I have on the meal plan. Okay, so here is my meal plan for the week. So let me start by saying I needed something this week that we are not cooking. I'm not running the oven. I am not doing any cooking. It has been so hot here in Florida that my husband and I both agreed that we need something that we do not need to heat up for breakfast or lunch. So this is what I have planned. And if you're new and you're interested in one of these meal plans, I have several different ones on my website. Just go to planningushealthy.com. And if you click on recipes and free printables, it'll be all the way down on the bottom. I have several different ones you can choose from. So for breakfast this week, I'm going to do chocolate chip peanut butter overnight oats. I look back and I haven't made these for a meal prep in quite some time. These are actually one of my favorites. They're one of my very first ones that I started making. I love these ones. These are 6 points on blue and green and 3 points on purple, and then just 234 calories. So I'm probably going to make those. Sometimes I make oats 4 days. I have it down for 3 days. So I'll see when I end up doing the meal prep if I end up doing 4 or not. But then the other 2 days, Thursday and Friday, I'll just do bacon, egg, and cheese muffins. Those are 5 points on blue and purple and 7 points on green and 253 calories. And also, as always, I'll have all these recipes linked down in the description box below. For lunches this week, again, no cooking. I'm going to be making some type of chicken ranch BLT wrap. That's all I can think to call it. I'm going to be probably putting some deli chicken on there, some bacon, lettuce, tomato. I think I'm going to do like a homemade ranch sauce, maybe just some light sour cream with some Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning mix. So I don't really have a recipe for that yet. I really probably won't know how I'm doing it until I actually start making it on meal prep day. So I'm estimating those to be about 5 points on all programs. I think I'm probably going to use the flatbread. I have some flatbreads. I'm going to use that for the wrap. And then I think on the side, I'm going to do a cucumber tomato salad with those. So those will be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then Thursday and Friday, if you saw, I posted something on, I think it was my Facebook page this past week, where I had threw together a couple salads for my husband and I this past week, and we just really enjoyed those salads. So I think Thursday and Friday we'll do a tossed salad with turkey like I did last week. 5 points on all programs, 237 calories. And then for dinners this week, I'm going to do garlic Parmesan salmon. If you know me, you know Monday nights are usually salmon night for us. And I pretty much alternate between, I don't know, like 3 or 4 different salmon recipes. So this one is garlic Parmesan salmon. This is 2 points on blue and purple, 10 points on green. It's only 6 points if you use the wild caught salmon. And 290 calories. And I will probably serve that with the 90-second ready rice, 3 points for half a cup of that, 100 calories, and then some broccoli. Tuesday night is going to be slow cooker barbecue meatloaf, or crock pot barbecue meatloaf, however you say it. That is 2 points on blue and purple and 3 points on green, 188 calories. Usually when I make that for a dinner, it makes enough for, I believe, 6 or 8. I can't remember. So we always usually have a double portion of that. And then I'll either freeze the rest of it, or we'll have it, you know, like another night for dinner on a different night. Kind of just depends. So it's very possible instead of the breakfast bowls, the next night we may have leftovers. And if we do, we'll have that. That's going to be with probably mashed potatoes for 4 points and 120 calories, and some peas for 0. And then Wednesday night is going to be breakfast bowls. That's a really easy recipe. It's eggs. I usually use chicken sausage in mine and canned white potatoes. That's 4 points on blue, 1 point on purple, 8 points on green, and 239 calories. Thursday night, I don't have the recipe for this yet. I'm going to do some type of chicken breast that I'm going to stuff, and I just don't know how I'm going to do it yet. So some type of stuffed chicken breast. And then Friday night is going to be homemade strombolis. I love these, and this is an air fryer recipe. 8 points on blue and purple, 9 points on green, 338 calories. And that's it for Monday through Friday. The weekends, we don't usually plan anything. Saturdays, we usually like to do steaks, baked potato, and corn. Saturday, I am doing breakfast out with some girls from work. We're going to be celebrating a retirement, so we're going to be having breakfast out. And I'm not really sure exactly what my breakfast is going to consist of, so dinner that night will be completely dependent on how I do for breakfast. And then Sunday, I'm thinking maybe, I thought at first maybe I'd do like a pasta day Sunday, but I'm thinking maybe a pot roast. I haven't done a pot roast in a while. My snacks for the week are going to be fruit for 0 points, pudding cups for 2 points or 80 calories, pretzel crisps and Laughing Cow cheese, 4 points or 140 calories. And we also have the Elevation protein bars. Those are 5 points and 160 calories. So that is what I have planned for this week. So I hope y'all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy.